Welcome to Section 4. In this section we are going to look at some of the features of the Math10-3 Moodle Companion Site that will help you to learn the course concepts. We're going to look at week 2, which is a typical week in the course. First of all, as you start each week, be sure to check the week schedule. There's a schedule for every week in the course. The schedule will tell you whether or not you have an assignment due. More importantly, it will give you your homework assignment for each day of the week. The homework assignment are pages from your Math 10 Works workbook. You complete these homework assignments right in the book. Don't be afraid to mess the book up, to underline things, or do anything else that will help you learn. It's very important to complete these homework assignments. Your math instructors have all been teaching math for many years. And one of the things we notice is that students who complete all homework assignments do very well in the unit tests. Students will often say, I don't need to complete the homework assignment because I understand the assignment, and that's what I'm getting marked on. But what they don't realize often is that math is a skill, and it's a skill that you get better at as you practice it, and the homework assignments allow you to practice that skill. The skills you practice in the homework assignments are the same skills that you'll be tested on in the unit test. During the unit test, you won't be able to ask for help, you won't be able to ask your instructor or peers, and so it's really important that you are not only understand the concepts, but that you are very confident in them. And students who do the homework assignments do well on unit tests. That's a fact that has been proven again and again and again. So that's the main reason why it's most important for you to complete all of the homework assignments, is so that you'll do well on the unit tests. And don't forget that unit tests are worth 40% of your mark, so they make up the largest portion. In addition to doing your homework assignments, it's extremely important that you mark your homework assignments. The solutions to all of the workbook problems can be found by clicking on the green check mark icon. When you click on the green check mark icon, it will load a PDF document that contains detailed solutions. So this solution manual can also be used to help you if you find you're getting stuck. So if you have a question you just don't know how to get started, by looking at the solution manual you'll see a detailed solution. So the solution manual is a very, very important tool. Of all of the activities in the course, the one that is most crucial to your learning is to complete the homework assignments and to mark them so that you're getting immediate feedback. In addition to the weekly schedule, there is also information about each lesson in your textbook, and you can access this information by clicking on the Learn icon. When you open the Learn icon, you access information about the specific lesson in your textbook. You will be able to read about the target objective for that lesson, access the keywords, words that you should know before you begin, and you'll also be directed to the appropriate pages in your MathWorks 10 textbook that cover the concepts that you will be learning. Okay, so there is a Learn page for every lesson in the book. After you read the Learn page and review your textbook, there is an additional resource for each lesson that may help you in your learning, particularly if you're a visual or auditory learner. And you can access that resource by clicking on the TV icon. And when we do that, that will bring up a YouTube video. So that is an example of a YouTube video that is linked with the lesson concept on proportions. It's important to understand that only one video was chosen, and so that video is targeted at the main objective of the lesson. There are additional objectives, and you can access resources related to those additional objectives by clicking on the More button. And so the More button has a longer list of not only YouTube videos, but also online textbook chapters and other resources that you may find helpful. So you will want to click on the More button if you need just a little more help with understanding the lesson concepts. The final feature that's very important in each week is the weekly assignment. To access a weekly assignment, click on the assignment icon and this will load an assignment in PDF form that you can print and complete and hand in to be marked. All of these features together are designed to give you many different ways of learning the course concepts. You get to choose the way that matches your learning style the best. There's one more question that you may want an answer to that is in the startup assignment, and that is question number 10. Question number 10 asks you, at what point in the course will you use the MathWorks 10 textbook for your homework assignment? The answer to that question is found in week 15. Week 15 is the week when we will review for our final exam. Since we will have completed all of the exercises in our workbook, in order to review for the final exam, we will do some review tests from the textbook. So the answer to question number 10 in our startup assignment is we will use our textbook for review during week 15 when we are reviewing for the final exam. I hope that these 4 video segments have helped you to learn about the Math10-3 Moodle Companion Site and to also complete the startup assignment. If you have any more questions about the startup assignment or any part of the Moodle course, please do not hesitate to contact your instructor. Good luck as you work through Math 10-3.